Hello, hello, hello. So I am diving in today to take you behind the scenes to give you a little bit of a look at what you actually get if you join Perfectly Podcasting. Now, so often we are a little bit resistant to diving into things. We don't really know what to expect. We don't really know, what it is that's going to happen and what. So I thought I would take you behind the scenes to have a little bit of a look at Perfectly Podcasting, what it's all about and what might be in it for you. So podcasting is a really great addition to your content marketing. It's really great for bringing new people to your audience. It's really great for that know, like and trust factor, and it's really great for conversion. And it's also a fabulous use and reuse of content. So I am going to take you for a little bit of a wander around what you actually get and what you need to know so that you can think about those things and see whether or not it is the perfect match for you. So when you join Perfectly Podcasting, what happens is you enter our vault. Now, you will get access to the content that you've purchased, but also you'll see up the top there, you also get access to the Vault Unlocked. Now, the Vault Unlocked is an area where there is a whole stack of different resources available for you to help and support you to build your business. And what we have in there is, let's just show you. Let's just hit on the unlocked bit. So you've got sales funnel structure, coming up with content ideas. No one wants a website, from OK to Epic, the flexible working pack, the change matrix, the tip top energy toolkit, mindset bundle, sales page checklist, and every single week you get a bonus video that goes in there that has different things that you need to know about generally everything that is going on in the world. So they are all there for you, but you also get access into your content, which here is the Perfectly Podcasting. And what do you get? So you get this whole course here that takes you through each and every step. So let's have a look through it. We get You're Welcome, what podcasting is and what it's all about. You get recording and editing, you get iTunes, you get channel art, you get intros and outros, you get setting up your hosting, you get uploading episodes, adding your podcast to your website, you get recording using Be Live to do interviews, you get what to think about in terms of content, how to come up with hundreds of content ideas fast. You get biggest mistakes people make. You get a module on marketing your podcast prep pack, and you also get regular emails to help you along the way. So there's lots of additional bits in there that will walk you through what to do, where to start, breaking it down into steps so that you can work through each and every element of the course and be able to, really find your way around what it is that's going on. And then we have a what now? So really it is the ultimate guide to getting your podcast up and running, and takes you through everything from the Techie setup, the Arty setup, the streaming, so how you actually stream that podcast, setting it up with iTunes and Alexa and all of those kinds of places, what you need to think about on content, what you need to think about on marketing. Every single bit of it is there for you and is walked through with step-by-step instructions written as well as through the videos. So you can make your way to podcasting really quickly, really easily, and really simply. This is a process that you can go through in your own time. If you want to get a podcast up in a week, it can be up in a week. If you want to do it over a longer period of time as a project, then absolutely you've got access to it over a longer period of time. And that's why the emails are there in the members area as well as hitting your inbox, so that if you want to fast track, it's all there for you, ready to fast track. If you want to take your time, there's reminders coming into your inbox on a regular basis. So I hope that that's given you a little bit of an insight into what you actually get for Perfectly Podcasting. And around this video, you will find the link to go and find out more and get involved. So have an absolutely epic day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.